Oh God! Landon, can you make it? Epic! Oh, my sock is wet.
That one right there.
I don't like wet socks.
You hear me doing? That first one off the big one moves a lot.
You hear that, people? Enjoy the sound of water.
Okay.
Getting thirsty, Landon?
I just need to.
Did you try drinking it?
No. Just put some on my face.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Ice cold.
Huh.
Ice cold.
But what's colder than ice cold?
Ice colder.
Oh, no, what's colder than cold?
Ice cold.
All right. Now, ladies.
Yeah.
What?
Oh my God! Only Mom was supposed to do that.
Look at my face.
Hey, so what do you guys think of this?
Your mom said, "This is pretty."
What do you think of it, Dad?
Kind of idyllic, straight out of a
Movie?
or a movie, or if you're reading a book and you know how you would try to imagine.
Is this what you picture?
I could see reading a book that
Get away from me.
describes it kind of like this.
Damn mosquitoes.
Get on it. You can write it, Christy.
Ride the river?
No, write the book describing this.
Oh. A whole book just on describing this? That's...
Well, no, it contains this as well.
Ah! Dad, you gotta do something epic.
It could be on this one. You could be like the river that sucks life or something. The book.
When you drink from it, it tastes your soul.
Peter? I don't know.
So, Lane, what do you think of this whole stream?
It's really cool.
Hi! Epic! Epic! You're trying to balance on this pole. Don't pay attention to my right foot. Oh crap, it's in my shoe! Ah!
I feel like it's happening only to you.
Because I was trying to wash the mud off my shoes. Not my best idea, but you know, I'm not full of bright ideas.